5 to 6 big earthquakes over 7 Richter per century. So this church is today the only thing that we actually would consider super old. In Santiago, many of the buildings of the city passed through a reconstruction, especially during the late 1800s, but this is today. Because it's impossible to build something. There are earthquake-proof buildings. In Santiago, during centuries, the only thing we can do during an earthquake was praying, and it was not effective. So we have earthquakes that killed almost half of the population, like the one of 1648. So when they happened at night, it was after. But then crisis, and right at the beginning, the exclusive private club was a party celebration. So basically, the elite of Santiago controls Santiago from this street for multiple centuries after we stopped before COVID and by everyone. So we're going to talk about them, and we're going to talk about this vote before the election. She's a comedy. No, it's already great. We have to go between comedy for now. That is left. Oh, because this character that we have, really the people is well, my friends, so we're going to below, huh? Here I have to compete with all of the noise coming from the street. So here we are. I love the Picunches people because thanks to them we have Santiago today. They settled here because the soil was better. Then the Incas conquered them because they have a great soil, and then the Spaniards established here because they have an excellent soil to produce. So we own Santiago, piece of Santiago. So now we're gonna go inside there. Once we get inside the cathedral, I will ask you to follow me, please, to a place where I will give you all of the explanations. And no worries, after the explanation, we'll have a moment to explore it and take pictures.